In a jaw-dropping moment at the Canton Fair 2025, China has unveiled what experts are calling the most advanced female humanoid robot in the world. Developed by a leading robotics company, this lifelike robot is equipped with AI-powered facial recognition, real-time emotional response, and fluid body movements that mimic human behavior with stunning accuracy. What makes her stand out? She can speak multiple languages, respond to complex conversations, and even express emotions like smiling, blinking, or showing concern, all thanks to next-gen AI processors and over 40 facial actuators. Dressed in traditional Chinese attire for the reveal, she greeted visitors, answered questions, and even posed for selfies. This isn't just a tech demo. This is a clear sign that China is racing ahead in the humanoid AI revolution. From companionship to customer service, robots like her may soon become a part of our daily lives. Nia Robot. Among the most recent advancements in AI and robotics was Nia, a bionic interactive robot designed to engage with forum-goers, extend a warm welcome, greet guests, and offer assistance. With an incredibly friendly tone and expressions that closely resemble those of a human. Not only was Nia responsive, she was also endearing. They are able to have lively conversations, understand one another in real time, and respond to words and body language in a very natural way because Nia and her colleagues have sophisticated facial motor skills, accurate speech recognition, and smart decision-making software. When Nia talks, she means it. Her smile, interest, confirmation nod, and expression of surprise are all shaped by her body language and the way she directs her attention. With fluid-looking bodily motions, she can wave farewell, give a thumbs up, say goodbye, or even shake hands. She wasn't just showing off displays during her time at the meeting. She gave attendees a sneak peek at how robots may become integrated into society and provide valuable, meaningful interactions. There is a wide range of possible applications for Nia's adaptability, from companions and amusement kiosks to public services in schools. She is more than just a robot with a face. Her presence changed people's perceptions of artificial intelligence and its potential applications. King Bao Robot. Chinese female robot King Bao, created by the Chinese robotics company Shanghai Robot Engine, stunned the crowds again with their elegant movements and striking appearances. The robots have been featured at China's largest exhibitions for years, and this event proved no exception. The robots created by the company are able to carry out many functions from interaction with humans to providing information and taking part in activities. Their design and ability make them fit perfectly to work as customer service assistants, educational domains, and entertainment domains. The robots have built-in sensor and artificial intelligence technologies that enable them to participate in truly natural dialogue and respond naturally to their surroundings. Amira Robot. One of the world's loveliest robots, Amira, reappeared in public view this month. Engineered Arts, a London robotics company, famous for creating the world's most realistic humanoid robots, created her. Amira sports a deeply realistic human face with delicate texture and soft facial expression and feature. Her skin, crafted out of top-of-the-line silicone, possesses a silky softness and finish capable of coming close to matching the texture and gloss of real skin. Naturalness is aided by the handiwork of facial design. Cheeks, lips, brows, and jawline carefully crafted so she can smoothly shift from emotion to emotion. Her expression system enables her to smile up warmly, raise her eyebrow at the moment of surprise and wonder, express curiosity via eye-tracking motion, and also shift from smiling face to sorrowful face via delicate mouth and eye movements. Amira doesn't just mimic emotion. She sends it for depth and timing and a lifelike quality to her being. Amira can carry out interactive chat through pre-storied lines via software and sophisticated speech synthesis software. Amira carries high-sensitivity microphones and speech recognition software, so she can interpret spoken input and render verbal replies of corresponding tone and gesture. More than a robot created to look human, she's created to engage emotionally. MagicBot Robot. MagicBot is currently being displayed. These next-gen androids navigate through complex spaces easily with full awareness and flexibility, equipped with light detection and ranging, LiDAR, RGBD cameras, 3 RGB cameras, and ultrasonic sensors that permit seeing in depth, obstacle avoidance, and gliding through dense spaces smoothly. MagicLab also created a rough terrain navigation system for MagicBot, so it glides easily both indoors and out, The bot can carry 40 kilograms of weight capacity and 42 degrees of freedom in total for advanced locomotion, and picking up objects up to a weight limit of 20 kilograms. Even in arduous conditions too, it glides smoothly for 5 hours using a solitary battery. The performance of the humanoid improved greatly. It displays accurate hand manipulation, synchronized walk, and smooth multi-joint motion, all while not compromising stability and agility. MagicBot adapts well to a change in environments and does work the same way a human will. Booster T1 Robot. The show-stopping human-like robot at Canton Fair 2025, Booster T1, was a pint-sized and expressive marvel built to reinvent human-tech interaction. This new generation robot wasn't just programmed to walk and talk, he was built to understand and engage on a human scale. We visitors were immediately entranced by his lifelike walk, emotive speech, and unexpectedly witty and well-timed sense of humor. Booster T1 greeted crowds with a warm hello, offered directions politely with deferential gestures, and responded naturally with nods and nods and nods. Even the ability to track gazes and adjust tone mid-sentence, and the ability to mirror emotions of people around him was feasible to him. According to researchers, Booster T1 houses dynamic muscle actuators, high-powered artificial intelligence able to carry on a great chat, and emotion mapping sensors to enable him to respond sympathetically, curiously, or humorously according to the situation. His applications extend from public reception and customized customer service through interactive entertainment. His waving, bowing, and smooth gesturing could be done as easily as his creating a laughter completely naturally. His selfies ensued readily enough, and at a later point he led a small group through a synchronized dance routine to be cheered and whooped over by the passersby. This female humanoid robot isn't just a showcase of cutting-edge tech, she's a glimpse into the future of human-robot interaction. With capabilities powered by machine learning, deep neural networks, and ultra-sensitive motion sensors, robots like her are set to transform industries from healthcare and retail to entertainment and education. As China continues to dominate the AI robotics space, one question remains: are we ready to live, work, and even build relationships with machines that look and act just like us? Stay tuned, because the future is arriving faster than we ever imagined. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any mind-blowing updates in the world of advanced robotics and AI.